Hi guys, Dr. Eilbra here. In this video, we will be talking about key ingredients you should look out for and avoid when purchasing cleaning supplies. Now, recently in practice, we had a patient that had developed a serious skin irritation due to the chemicals that were found in the cleaning supplies she was using. Now, there's this helpful website called EWG, it's the Environmental Working Group, that provides a rating scale to cleaning supplies and other products. It provides a grading scale of a grade A to products that have a low concern to your health and to the environment, to a grade F, which have a high concern to your health and to the environment. So definitely check out EWG. Now, the key ingredients that you should definitely avoid when purchasing cleaning supplies are ingredients such as sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium borate, dimethicone, alcohol sulfates, because these ingredients have the potential to cause developmental, reproductive, endocrine, and respiratory effects. They can also cause allergies and can cause skin irritations. Now, my friends at AspenClean provide these chemical-free organic cleaning supplies. They have plant-based ingredients, so highly recommend you giving AspenClean a try. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.